Hey guys, it's me Rand, and today I'm in Call of Duty 3 right now. I'm on campaign. I'm in the storage house or something. But right now I'm gonna be playing Dead Ops Arcade. Oh, oops. The fuck? Here it is. So how do you go on Dead Ops Arcade? You go on calling cards or, well, on this aisle. Then you just go on Data Vault where you see nothing. Then you press it and it's there. So yeah. Do this. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Oh shoot, this might be copyrighted. Shoot. No. Might be copyrighted. Hurry up. Okay, come on, monkey. Come on. Damn. Man, I need to skip this. I don't care then. If I get copyrighted, I'll do this thing again. Oh, never mind. Good. Oh, this brings back so much memories. Oh, shoot. I totally forgot how to thing. Shoot. Oh, there you go. Got it. Oh, this brings back so much memories. Like in Black Ops 1. And now in this version, you could go first person. So I don't know if I could go on it yet. Oh, here's gold. Money. Gotta make that money. I was joking. Let's go pirate ship. Okay. Oh shoot. Is that the liquefier? Oh shoot, that's sick. Black Ops 2 guns are in here now. Wait, is that? No. Is it? Never mind. Flamethrower. Really? Really? Holy shoot! Shotgun! I'm Nikolai. Shoot, this is fun. Okay. Nice. Now I only have 2 more lives. So yeah, let's go. Let's go in the pool. Here. Let's go. What's this? Where's this gun? Okay. Shoot, really? Holy shoot! Oh, nice. Oh, wow. Okay, well. And I hope I get the ray gun soon. Okay, now I suck. Oh, shoot. Ted Dempsey. What? Okay. Okay, let's go where the arrow is. Gosh, if I die on this round, I really suck. Nice. Oh, yo! I got the free... Oh, this is sick. This is so cool. Oh, that is so cool. But I'm gonna die. Because I am not good at zombies. kind of. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh shoot. Oh yeah. What is that? Oh shoot. What is that? What the frick? Ah! That's good I'm not in first person mode. Oh shoot. Barrels. Oh god. Okay. I thought I'd be really bad at this. But no, not that much. But even though I'm just a beginner. I just started today actually. Oh, nice. Oh shoot. Go here, yeah. Okay, that's it for now. Peace, bye.